Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Blossoming Jasmine. I just wanted to show you what it looks like when you use glass crystals versus Swarovski crystals. So this item was actually a gift, and I made these gifts for Milan from Milano di Rouge. And she said she loved her gifts, which made me so happy. I feel like she gives so much. She absolutely deserves it. But she reposted me, and I made her these gifts to help her in her everyday life. So I gave her a eye mask for when she's sleeping because she flies private, a laptop case because that's why she always has a laptop, and then water so she can stay hydrated. So I went to her fashion show and I purchased one of her jumpsuits. I put like 50,000 crystals on it. And I'm actually still, I have like 10% more to go. But I wore the jumpsuit anyways and I look super cute. It's a mixture of Swarovski and glass. So I started off using Swarovski, but it started to become so expensive. And I'm on an extreme budget right now, just trying to figure things out, right? And just grow my business. So I used the glass, and you see how the front had a lot more sparkle than the back, but it still looked pretty regardless. So I'm going to show you the flats that I wore, and the flats are from Week and Rush, which is Meek Mill's sister, and she has these flats. I feel like they really are a lifesaver. I actually ended up meeting her. She's super cool and beautiful, and she actually reposted me. Let me show you.
She blings out everything. Show them your Week and Rush flats. You got them with you?
I sure do.
The Save Me flats. She even blinged them out, y'all. Yes, follow my. Y'all, this lounge is so fucking lit. All I need is the bar. I'ma find that fucking bar and I'ma be toasted. Oh, y'all see this? Y'all see how she blinged them out? Y'all see how she bling them out? What's your ad name?
So like I said, that was super sweet of her because I just met her that day. But these are the shoes that I wore, and these are also glass crystals, SS20. And lastly, I just wanted to show you these sneakers. So only the clear crystals in this video are glass. The green on the AKA are high quality crystals. And if you would like high quality crystals, go to Rhinestones Unlimited and use my promo code Blossom. The promo code is actually good for more than one use. So I would say definitely use it while it's valid, because like, when can you ever get Swarovski or Lux at a discount? You can't. So definitely take advantage while they're working with me. And remember, BLOSSOM. I'll see you in my next video. Later, guys. Bye.